And we are in front of a pretty interesting Pilote van, and it's a V630S Expression with the price of 68,690. Well, let's try to go inside and check all the amenities, specs and features. Okay, so we have a pretty nice looking coffee situation for the seating, nice wide cabinet, additional open cabinet right up there, Fiat Ducato chassis, two same color chairs, Truma heating, IDS with control panel, fold down kitchen, additional 2-burner stove. Well, we have also sink, and open up we have big drawers, one bigger and two slightly smaller size. On this part we have one kitchen drawer, then additional drawer on the upper part, and that big Tedford fridge of 138 liters with no space left on the up down part. And then we have an Tedford cassette toilet and big shower unit that can be closed like this, and an interesting situation on the back. So we have these rails, so all your belongings can be variably stored around, and that's actually a pretty clever design. I would like that more vans do like that. And then we have a double bed situation with the approximate size on the upper bed. The widest part is, okay, let's measure again, 1.845, and at the widest part we are looking at around, oh, we got an error, 1.6. So for two kids or smaller adults it's great, but I will be measuring the lower bed from the back. So going on the back side, I'm measuring, this will be extremely large, 1.867, 2 meters from this side, and on the lower part we have 1.9. So this is almost 2 meters for 2 meters and 180 and something with 160. Well, a big family can sleep easily here. And then you can lift up this station and probably put one bike or any other stuff that you need. And if we measure that, will be at the larger part 1.8. Well, pretty nice design, actually. I love it a lot. And you can put there on the lower part if you switch around to get more space for sleeping. Amazing setup.